Hey there, y'all! Welcome to a journey that promises to be both enlightening and inspiring. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of sustainable farming, where every seed sown is a step towards a healthier planet. It's a journey that takes us from the heart of America to the vibrant landscapes of Vietnam, showcasing the global impact of sustainable practices. We'll uncover the secrets of organic farming and learn how to grow delicious, healthy food while respecting our planet. It's about more than just food, it's about a way of life. Imagine a world where lush gardens burst with life, nourished by nature's wisdom. A place where every plant thrives in harmony with its surroundings. That's the promise of sustainable farming. It's a commitment to work with nature, not against it, ensuring that our farming practices are in sync with the environment. It's about working with the earth, not against it, using natural methods like composting and organic fertilizers to enrich the soil. We can create a brighter future for generations to come. Imagine children learning the value of sustainability from a young age, growing up on family farms that honor the earth. This journey starts with a single seed, planted with care and intention. Each seed holds the potential to grow into something magnificent. Are you ready to get your hands dirty, to feel the earth between your fingers and be part of something bigger? Let's explore the magic of organic farming together. It's a community effort where everyone plays a role in nurturing the land. We'll discover tips and tricks from experienced farmers across the globe. Their wisdom and experience are invaluable resources. From soil health to pest control, we'll delve into the techniques that make sustainable farming so effective. We'll unlock the secrets to a thriving garden, where every plant is a testament to the power of sustainable practices. Get ready to be inspired by the resilience and ingenuity of farmers worldwide. Their innovative techniques are paving the way for a sustainable future. They're proving that sustainable living is not just a dream, it's a delicious reality. Let's dig in and discover the wonders of sustainable farming together. Organic farming is all about working in harmony with nature. It's a practice that respects the natural processes and cycles of the environment. It's like creating a beautiful symphony where every element plays a crucial role. Each plant, insect, and microorganism has its part to play in this intricate dance of life. One of the most important aspects is nurturing the soil, the foundation of a thriving garden. Healthy soil is the bedrock of organic farming, providing essential nutrients and a stable environment for plants to grow. Healthy soil is teeming with life, earthworms, beneficial microbes, and organic matter. These organisms work together to create a rich, fertile environment. These little helpers break down nutrients, making them readily available for your plants to absorb. They are the unsung heroes of the garden, tirelessly working to improve soil health. Building healthy soil is like setting the stage for a successful performance. Just as a symphony requires a well-tuned orchestra, a garden needs well-prepared soil. Start by adding compost, a gardener's best friend. Compost enriches the soil, providing a balanced mix of nutrients that plants need to thrive. Compost is like a nutrient-rich feast for your soil. It not only adds essential nutrients, but also improves soil texture and moisture retention. It improves soil structure, drainage, and water retention. Good soil structure ensures that roots can penetrate easily and access the nutrients and water they need. You can make your own compost from kitchen scraps and yard waste. This not only reduces waste, but also recycles valuable nutrients back into your garden. Another key element is avoiding synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. These chemicals can disrupt the natural balance of your garden and harm beneficial organisms. These chemicals can harm beneficial insects and disrupt the delicate balance of your soil ecosystem. Choose natural alternatives instead. Natural pest control methods, such as introducing beneficial insects, can help maintain this balance. We'll explore those in the next section. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of organic farming and discover more tips and techniques to help you create a thriving, sustainable garden. Now let's talk about those pesky critters that might want to share your harvest. Don't worry, we can keep them at bay without resorting to harmful chemicals. Organic pest management is all about working smarter, not harder. Think of your garden as a balanced ecosystem. When everything is in harmony, pests are less likely to become a problem. Encourage beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings. They're natural predators that feast on aphids and other garden pests. Companion planting is another fantastic technique. Certain plants, like marigolds and basil, naturally repel pests. Plant them alongside your vegetables to deter unwanted visitors. It's like inviting nature's own pest control team to the party. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Keep your garden clean and free of debris, which can harbor pests. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of trouble and take action early on. Water is essential for life, and your garden is no exception. But overwatering can be just as detrimental as underwatering. The key is to find that sweet spot, providing your plants with the right amount of moisture they need to thrive. One way to conserve water is by using mulch. Mulch acts like a protective blanket over your soil, helping to retain moisture and suppress weeds. You can use organic materials like straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves. Another effective technique is drip irrigation. This method delivers water directly to the roots of your plants, minimizing evaporation and runoff. It's like giving your plants a refreshing drink without wasting a drop. Remember to water deeply but less frequently. This encourages strong root development. Observe your plants and adjust your watering schedule based on the weather conditions and the needs of your specific crops. Choosing the right seeds is like laying the foundation for a strong and healthy garden. When you opt for non-GMO seeds, you're choosing varieties that have been passed down through generations of farmers, selected for their flavor, resilience, and adaptability. GMOs, or genetically modified organisms, are created in a laboratory by altering the genetic makeup of plants. While proponents argue for their benefits, many concerns exist regarding their long-term impact on human health and the environment. Non-GMO seeds, on the other hand, are a testament to the power of nature. These seeds haven't been genetically engineered. They're the result of natural selection and traditional breeding methods. Choosing non-GMO seeds is a way to preserve biodiversity and support sustainable agriculture. Look for seeds labeled as non-GMO or heirloom. Heirloom varieties are especially prized for their unique flavors and stories passed down through generations of gardeners. Getting your farm certified organic can seem daunting, but it's a rewarding journey that reflects your commitment to sustainable practices. Plus, it gives your customers confidence in the quality and integrity of your products. The first step is to contact your local certifying agency. They'll guide you through the process and answer any questions you may have. You'll need to document your farming practices, including your soil management, pest control, and water conservation methods. There's a transition period during which your land must be free from prohibited substances like synthetic pesticides and fertilizers. This period allows your soil to detoxify and return to a balanced state. Certification involves annual inspections to ensure you meet the organic standards. It's an ongoing commitment to transparency and accountability, but it's worth it to be a part of the organic movement. Now let's hop on a plane and journey to Southeast Asia, a region rich in culture and agricultural heritage. Here, in the lush landscapes of Vietnam, papaya trees thrive in the tropical climate, creating a vibrant tapestry of green. Vietnamese farmers have been growing papaya for centuries, mastering the art of cultivation through time-honored techniques. This knowledge is passed down through generations, with elders teaching the younger farmers the secrets of successful papaya farming. The warm, humid weather of Vietnam is ideal for papaya cultivation, providing the perfect environment for these tropical fruits to flourish. The fertile Mekong Delta, in particular, is renowned for its abundant fruit production, making it a key region for papaya farming. Papaya trees need well-drained soil and plenty of sunshine to grow healthily. The farmers ensure these conditions are met to produce the best quality fruit. To improve drainage, Vietnamese farmers often plant papaya trees in mounds or raised beds, a technique that helps prevent waterlogging. They enrich the soil with compost and manure, providing essential nutrients that promote robust growth and enhance the fruit's flavor. Proper spacing is crucial to ensure each tree has enough room to spread its branches and soak up the sun, which is vital for photosynthesis. Watering is essential, especially during the dry season, to keep the trees hydrated and support their growth. Vietnamese farmers often use a combination of rainwater harvesting and irrigation systems to maintain a consistent water supply for their papaya trees. They pay close attention to the tree's needs, adjusting their watering practices as needed to ensure optimal growth and fruit production. Regular inspection of the papayas is also crucial, as farmers check for ripeness and any signs of pests or diseases. They often use natural pest control methods to maintain the health of the trees. ensuring that the fruits are safe and organic. The result of this meticulous care is vibrant, delicious papayas that are enjoyed both locally and around the world. These papayas are a staple in local markets, where they are sold fresh and used in a variety of traditional dishes. From refreshing salads to sweet desserts, papayas are an integral part of Vietnamese cuisine, cherished for their flavor and nutritional benefits. As the sun sets over the papaya farms, it highlights the dedication and hard work of the farmers who keep this tradition alive. Their efforts not only sustain their families, but also preserve a rich agricultural heritage that is deeply rooted in traditional wisdom. Vietnamese farmers teach us valuable lessons about sustainable living. Their approach to farming is characterized by simplicity, community, and resilience, values we can all embrace. Their methods are often low-tech, relying on observation, intuition, and a deep understanding of nature's rhythms. They use locally available resources and adapt their practices to the specific conditions of their environment. Community plays a vital role in Vietnamese agriculture. Farmers often work together, sharing knowledge, resources, and labor. This spirit of cooperation strengthens their bonds and ensures the success of their harvests. Vietnamese farmers are incredibly resilient, facing challenges like typhoons and floods with determination and ingenuity. They understand that nature is unpredictable and adapt their practices accordingly.